Hey, it's the Dustin Genius here at Orlando Mini with another instructional video. This time it's on voice commands for navigation. Now, if you know what the address is, you can actually do the voice command prompt button. When you hear the beep, I want you to say navigate to and then what the address is. I'll give you an example. Navigate to 350 South Lake Destiny Drive.
350 S Lake Destiny Drive, Orlando was selected. Guidance has been started. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
And it's that easy. Now, if you want to stop guidance because you notice what's going on, prompt the voice command button and say, stop guidance.
Guidance has been stopped.
And then if you don't know what an address is, you can do a points of interest. So initiate voice command and say points of interest and then say the point of interest. Points of interest.
Please say the desired address or a point of interest.
McDonald's.
McDonald's 1028 Lee Road, Orlando. Say yes or select another entry from the list.
And it's that simple. Thank you very much for allowing me to teach you about your new Mini.